As the world faces various social challenges and heightened levels of uncertainty, manufacturing companies understand the need to transform. Mitsubishi Electric utilizes digital technology to connect the entire manufacturing lifecycle, with the aim of optimal and flexible manufacturing to address uncertainty. In the future, manufacturing must utilize digital technologies such as software, AI, and networks to realize digital manufacturing, connecting all stages of the manufacturing lifecycle, from planning to manufacturing to recycling. Using digital manufacturing concepts, manufacturers can simulate demand fluctuations, production capacity, as well as equipment and process design. This enables the use of efficient manufacturing processes and the coordination of operators, resulting in a factory that can respond flexibly and quickly without interruption. Moreover, by allowing robots, the cloud, AI, and 5G to collaborate, it is possible to address diverse working styles, overcome labor shortages, and facilitate skills transfer. Additionally, AI analysis can even be used to diagnose video of production processes to highlight potential issues. It can also be used to support energy and CO2 reduction strategies across all manufacturing processes, helping achieve carbon-neutral goals. We can help optimize manufacturing life cycles, from planning to refurbishment, by leveraging synergies between our control equipment, visualization tools, digital technologies such as our 3D simulator, and services that take advantage of our on-site knowledge. Mitsubishi Electric has built an ecosystem of e-Factory Alliance partners who together co-create digital manufacturing solutions.